We've had a really mild winter, and wouldn't you know it, as soon as they start working hard on the bar, bam, we get hit with more snow and ice. Projects tend to get a bit messy in this stage. It looks like they decided to tear down this LED wall. It was originally behind the bands. It was a neat little effect, but when I saw it in videos, I always thought it was a garage door. Reinforcements have been called in. Vic is here to help with the larger electrical jobs and making sure everything's running safe for the venue. Speaking of safe, this guy no longer burns you. They replaced all the lights that were up here and they changed them with LEDs. They went from pulling 10 amps to 0.8. That's quite a difference. Behind the bar is kind of in its ugly duckling stage. They ran into some drainage issues, so they're tearing it all out to make sure that it runs appropriately. There's still an overabundance of wires to go through. I mean, look at this mess. The amount of wires that were the wrong wire or just weren't being utilized is pretty crazy. It still blows my mind that they painted the lamp extension cords. Now, this is the first time I've noticed these things. They run all the way down the wall. I'm not really sure what they're used for, but it looks like the spot used to be a fireplace, maybe? Maybe they were used to stabilize the wall? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you know. Work is continuing on the stage in the back area. One of the most important things when you're working on a project like this is to make sure that you don't cut your arm or your leg off. Hooray! Success! Check it out, the stage now has a top. Here's a quick view from the stage. I already feel like a rock star up here. Now we're talking real electrical supplies. Vic is adding another panel so they can just shut off everything that runs the stage from one spot. Maybe we should have him take a look at these switches. I like how some of them say off at the bottom. Does that mean the up is off on some? Let's take a look to see if anything's been done in the creepy basement. Hey, look at that. It's actually quite organized. Be honest, does this mirror make me look fat? Somebody's obviously spent a lot of time down here organizing all this. They still have all these couches. Pretty sure they're just gonna get rid of these. Ah, we now have framing on the wall there, and it looks like we have some insulation. Now, they told me they were gonna paint the ceiling, and I made the joke, are you gonna rattle can it? And apparently they're going to rattle can just right above the stage, but they're gonna actually spray paint the rest of it. As you can see, it makes quite a stark difference having it black. Now, this insulation is actually called rock wool. I've used it before when I built bass boxes and acoustic boxes for my space. It's supposed to be safe to touch with your hands, but in my experience when you start cutting it, it's still pretty pokey. On this side, it's going to be the walkway as if you're walking to the green room. It had to be built this way because you needed a way to safely get out in case there was a fire. And right here is the doorway. There'll be a couple steps and then you can walk up on the stage. And Skylar's busy working on the other project, which will be the booth where the mixer will be at. It'll be a nice spot where you'll be above the crowd, but also just having a home base is so much better than walking around with an iPad the whole night. As you can see, a lot has gotten done here at the back end of the bar where the stage is going to be. It's really exciting to see their vision finally taking shape. And I know it's going to look even more stunning as they start adding all the polish to the project. Thank you for joining me in this episode of My Friends Have Bought a Bar. We'll see you in the next video.